So what is up, guys? This is what the camera looks like when you're vlogging. And the cool thing about it is it has a flip-up LCD, but the problem is when there's a lot of wind, it picks up a lot of wind noise. But I thought filming over here at the park would be a great place to get a lot of different varieties of things, like people walking by, time lapses, slow motion, because right over there is the St. John's River here in Florida. So I still must ask, is it really worth $1,200 when you get a Canon 80D or some other DSLR that is a more professional camera for the same price range?
Okay, welcome party people, enjoy the house walk, number 5. Stop.
So I will ask you guys this quick question. Should these point-and-shoot cameras that are costing $1,200, should they, like the Canon G7X, the Canon G7X Mark II, should these cameras be having external microphone input? Because you can hear all the noise in this restaurant that I am currently sitting at, and it's not a great sound when you're getting all the ambient noise and music and everything. A directional mic, like a Rode Video like me or something, would definitely help out the audio. But it is what it is. But $1,200? Because every YouTuber is talking about this camera needs a microphone input. It definitely needs a microphone input. But I understand it's a point and shoot camera. But at the end of the day, it's a good camera for what it is. The image quality is good. The picture is good. It's just, I believe, the camera is just too heavily priced. Let me know in the links below, did you like the 4K capability of this camera? Was it up to the par that you think it should be? Do you think it's something that you guys will go out and purchase? Is it something that you guys definitely think it's worth $1,200? Do you guys think it can run your whole YouTube channel just using this camera and this camera only? If you're okay with not having an external mic and you're okay with having ambient noise, basically all the noise around you being picked up, if you're in a restaurant, you're vlogging out and about, then you can do this. But it has good slow motion. I think it has good 4K. I think it has good image quality. It's a 1-inch sensor, so it's bigger than most point-and-shoot cameras. The only competitor to this, I would say, would be the Canon G7X Mark II, because I don't think Panasonic has anything close to this. I don't think Nikon has anything close to this. And all the other competitors that are out there don't have anything this high-end. But would you get this over getting a DSLR? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, my name is Trevor, and this has been another Trevor's Phone Reviews video shot in 4K. Thanks for watching, baby. I'm out.